Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Dairo Alexander Castro Gutierrez. I am 30 years old, alive in the city hospitality Huila. The most important thing for me is my family and my work. The blessing us good. It is important to learn English because in languages that in Beijing use a lot word level. Thus being able to interact with new cultures. In this way, acquiring net knowledge with I like to share a lot of time with my family because I work with the National Army and I have been in the institution for approximately 12 years. I work as a non-commissioned officer and I've been working in the administrative area with human talent. I create live movies in music on vacation. I travel with my family to other departments. Nature is very beautiful.